In this video, I'll detail how to use Samsung phone video call effect. So if you have Samsung device and you want to use the call effect on your Samsung Galaxy device, this video is going to walk you through. With your Samsung phone video call effect, you can easily change your background, blur the background, or set color background while making a video call. So if you're on One UI 6.1, you probably won't be able to turn on this any longer. But you can easily use this while on any video call. So if you're done with this video, you found this video fun informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. For One UI 6.1, go to your Samsung phone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on advanced features. Then you want to scroll down and locate video call effect. You see, there's no more option to turn off or turn on video call effect on your Samsung Galaxy device. This feature is now enabled automatically. Now, to use video call effect on Samsung while making a video call, all you just need to do is go ahead and put your video call through, just like this. Now, while on video call, like you can see on the screen, to use the Samsung video call effect, you just need to scroll down from the top screen, locate video call effect, and click on it. Then once you click on that, you'll see the Samsung phone video call effect pops, just like this. Then click on background. Here you have option to set a blur background. This is going to blur your video call background. You see that? Then if you select color, you'll be able to choose color for the video call effect background. Alternatively, you can just choose image and set any image as your video call background. Then to change the image, you just come here and then click on, come back here, click on settings. This is going to take you to the video call effect settings on your Samsung. Come to background image and click on the plus icon. Then once you selected the plus icon, come down here and select whatever you want to set as your video background icon. So here I'm going to set this. Then once you selected that, come here and click on done. Then you can now return back to the video call on your Samsung device. So you see that? So this is how you can easily use Samsung video call effect to change your video call background. However, if you click on the video call effect again, then you can just come here, click on background, and then use color background or blur your background. So that is basically how to use Samsung phone video call effect while making video calls. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.